Imagine you're on a road trip to financial freedom, but you've never seen the map and the GPS is off. You're not sure where you're going or how to get there. That's what happens when you don't have a clear financial plan. Today, we're going to create a 30-minute template to help you get back on track and reach your financial goals. Let's start with the basics. A financial plan is like a blueprint for your money. It helps you understand where you are, where you want to go, and how to get there. Think of it as a roadmap to financial stability and security. Your plan should include several key components: income, expenses, savings, debt, investments, and financial goals. Now, let's talk about income. Your income is the foundation of your financial plan. It's the money you earn from your job, investments, or other sources. For example, let's say you earn $60,000 per year from your job. That's $5,000 per month. But you also have a side hustle that brings in an extra $1,000 per month. So your total monthly